Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you where your radar sensor is in the 2024 Kia Niro EV. I have in front of me here a Wave in steel gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, I just wanted to show you guys where your radar sensor is located, and it is this flat spot underneath the license plate here. So that radar sensor is used for features such as your smart cruise control and your advanced forward collision avoidance assist with junction turning. So if you happen to be driving in any kind of weather where it's snowing or maybe there's like slush on the ground and it splashes up and it covers your radar sensor, you might get the message on the instrument cluster letting you know that some of those features are temporarily disabled, and that's just because that radar sensor is gunked up with stuff. So all you would have to do is just clean off this radar sensor and then restart the car, and then all those features will come back on again. Just because if the car can't properly use those features, it's not going to try if the radar sensor is blocked at all. So you can use like a quick detailer, you can use a spray wax, an all-purpose cleaner, and just with the microfiber, spray it onto it, just give it a little wipe off and just make sure you keep that clean. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.